Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, we've got 20 insanely clever Amazon gadgets that will transform your home and kitchen. These are game changers you'll definitely want to get your hands on. Let's check them out. As always, links to all products are in the description below so you can grab your favorite. This portable mini washing machine is the perfect solution for quick and convenient laundry anywhere. Designed for small loads, this compact washer is ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, and travel. With its lightweight and space-saving design, you can effortlessly clean your clothes without the hassle of a full-sized machine. Featuring efficient cleaning technology, low water consumption, and easy operation, this mini washing machine makes laundry simple and efficient. This tea bag organizer is the perfect solution to keep your tea collection neat, accessible, and beautifully displayed. Designed for both convenience and style, it features multiple compartments to store and organize different tea flavors, making it easy to find your favorite brew in seconds. Crafted from high-quality materials, this tea organizer enhances your kitchen, pantry, or countertop with a touch of elegance. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or simply looking to declutter your space, this organizer ensures a seamless tea drinking experience every time. This wooden pasta cutter is the perfect tool for crafting authentic, homemade pappardelle with ease. Made from high-quality, durable wood, this pasta maker ensures clean, even cuts for beautifully shaped noodles every time. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, allowing for smooth handling and precision. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this pasta cutter adds a rustic touch to your kitchen while making fresh pasta preparation simple and enjoyable. This lid organizer is the perfect solution for keeping your kitchen neat and clutter-free. Designed to store and organize container lids of various sizes, this adjustable organizer expands to fit your storage needs, making it ideal for any kitchen space. The sturdy construction ensures durability, while the non-slip base keeps it securely in place. With multiple dividers, it allows you to categorize lids efficiently, making them easy to access whenever needed. Say goodbye to messy drawers and enjoy a well-organized kitchen with this practical and space-saving lid organizer. This broom holder is the perfect solution to keep your home organized and clutter-free. Designed with strong, non-slip grips, it securely holds brooms, mops, and other cleaning tools in place, preventing them from falling. The durable, heavy-duty construction ensures long-lasting use, making it ideal for garages, kitchens, laundry rooms, and more. This dog camera is the ultimate home security solution for pet owners. With 360-degree rotating coverage, it ensures you never miss a moment, giving you a full view of your home from anywhere. The barking alert feature notifies you instantly when your dog barks, so you can check in and soothe them with two-way audio. The 1080p HD live video and night vision provide crystal clear footage day or night. Plus, the treat tossing function lets you interact with your pet even when you're away. This spice rack organizer is the ultimate solution for keeping your spices neatly arranged and easily accessible. Designed to fit standard spice bottles, this organizer features adjustable dividers, allowing you to customize compartments for different-sized containers. The pull-down drawers provide a clear view of labels, making it effortless to find the right spice while cooking. Compact yet spacious, it maximizes cabinet space and keeps your kitchen clutter-free. No installation is required. Just place it in your cabinet or countertop and enjoy a well-organized spice collection. This splatter guard is your perfect kitchen companion to keep your stovetop clean and oil-free. Designed with high-quality, heat-resistant silicone, it effectively prevents hot oil, grease, and food splatter while allowing steam to escape for safe and mess-free cooking. The durable yet flexible construction ensures easy handling, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup effortless. Ideal for frying, sautéing, and simmering, this splatter screen fits most 10-inch pans, making it a must-have for any kitchen. This digital yogurt maker lets you create delicious, healthy homemade yogurt with ease. Designed for convenience, it features an intuitive digital timer and automatic shut-off, ensuring perfect consistency every time. The large capacity allows you to prepare multiple servings at once, while the included glass jars provide portion control and easy storage. Whether you prefer classic, Greek, or flavored yogurt, this versatile machine delivers fresh, preservative-free results right at home. Enjoy the benefits of homemade yogurt with complete control over ingredients and taste. This soap dispensing dish brush is the ultimate kitchen companion for effortless dishwashing. Designed with a comfortable non-slip grip, this brush dispenses soap with a simple push of a button, making cleaning quick and efficient. The durable nylon bristles easily tackle tough grease and grime without scratching non-stick cookware. A built-in scraper helps remove stubborn residue, while the leak-proof seal ensures mess-free use. Ideal for everyday cleaning, this dish brush combines convenience, durability, and superior performance to keep your kitchen spotless. This dual-temp griddle is designed for ultimate convenience and performance. Featuring a spacious cooking surface, it allows you to prepare multiple dishes at once, making it perfect for family breakfasts or quick weeknight meals. The dual temperature control ensures precise heat distribution, letting you cook different foods simultaneously at their ideal temperatures. Its ceramic non-stick coating offers healthier cooking with less oil and effortless cleanup. When you're done, the fold and store design makes storage a breeze, even in compact kitchens. This taco holder stand is the perfect way to serve and enjoy your favorite tacos without the mess. Designed with a sturdy and stylish structure, this stand securely holds tacos upright, making filling and serving effortless. Whether you're hosting a taco night, a family dinner, or a party, this taco holder keeps everything neat and organized. Crafted for convenience, it's ideal for hard or soft-shelled tacos and adds an authentic Mexican touch to your table. Enjoy every bite with ease, no more toppled tacos. This 2-slot hot dog toaster brings the classic taste of a ballpark snack right to your kitchen. Designed for convenience, this toaster perfectly cooks 2 hot dogs and warms 2 buns at the same time, delivering a delicious meal in minutes. With adjustable heat settings, you can achieve your preferred level of toasting, while the built-in timer ensures perfect results every time. The removable drip tray makes cleanup effortless, and the compact design saves counter space. Whether for a quick snack, family gatherings, or a fun twist on mealtime, this hot dog toaster is a must-have for any kitchen. This electric crepe maker is the perfect kitchen companion for effortlessly making delicious crepes, pancakes, and more. Designed with a non-stick surface for even cooking and easy flipping, this crepe maker ensures a mess-free experience every time. The adjustable temperature control allows precise heat settings to achieve the perfect golden brown texture. With a lightweight and compact design, it's easy to store and convenient to use. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.